What is up, guys? Happy Saturday. RedPandaMining here, back with another video. Alright guys, it's just gonna be a chill day for me. I'm just gonna build up a couple rigs here. Sorry, I'm just gonna build one rig. So as you guys can see, I got some video cards here and I got some 2 frames here. This guy right here, I've had sitting for a while. I've been wanting to do a speculative mining build where I have a few cheap cards in here. I'm thinking about GTX 750 Ti's or maybe some RX 550s, and I want to do some like Turtle Coin, all the Kryptonite algorithm coins. And yeah, it's just a little project I'm wanting to do. I don't have any of the cards yet, but I've been sourcing out on Craigslist and eBay. Like I found a GTX 750 Ti for about 20 bucks, and it's pretty cheap. I don't know if you guys know, but the 750 Ti used to be like really good back in the day, and the efficiency of that card is just amazing. Like you can mine at like, I don't know, 10 to 20 to 30 watts, depending what algo. But yeah, that's just a project I have. And then this silver frame here, if you guys watched my last video maybe a week ago or so, I had this with my AMD 6x5 RX 570 cards. And yeah, that build is in the washroom and it's doing really well. Let me show you that. Alright guys, the bathroom rig. You guys remember this? Alright, so yeah, it's doing really well. The temperatures are really good. It's where I like it right now. Yeah, it's solid. I'm mining at 175 to 180 mega hash on Ethereum at the moment. I'm going hard on Ethereum right now because of the hard fork that's coming up. So yeah, man, this shower head scares me, guys. Yeah, so with this silver frame, I'll be putting all this stuff in. I'm gonna put the GTX 1070 that I got here. And I'm also going to put a brand new GTX 1060 mini that Zotac just sent me recently from an RMA. So these 2 cards will be going into this silver frame here, and probably, I'm not sure what I'm going to be mining yet, but I'll figure that out after. And then I got 2 cards here. This is a GTX 960, which I'm going to be giving to a buddy. He wants a new video card to play Apex Legends. This card should be able to do it. And then I got a R9 290 here just sitting. I haven't been using it because the efficiency on it, this card is not that great for mining anymore. It's great for gaming, but not for mining. So I'm gonna keep it anyway, but we'll see what happens. Okay, next up, guys, what else do I have here? I got a few projects going on, actually. If you guys can see what's going on over here. What's this guy? I got like a heat gun. What's this beautiful card here? You guys know what this is? Radeon. What card is this? Can you guys let me know down in the comments what you guys think this card is? What the heck am I doing here, huh? What is this? This is a project I'm working on, guys. I got like high temperature masking tape, this heat gun. I got this card taken apart right now. I don't know, but yeah, I'm working on it, guys. You guys will see a video on it shortly. Well, it's snowing hard again. Look at that, guys. Oh, it's cold. Alright guys, let's get to building. Let's put everything into this frame. Alright guys, so I got the rig here. It's all set up. As you guys can see on the right, system wattage right now is around 40 to 45 watts. And let's check out the two cards that we got in here right now. Let's open up Tech Power Up, GPU Z. And as we can see, got a GTX 1070 with Micron memory. And let's check this 1060, the GTX 1060 Mini from Zotac. It is as well a Micron memory. So I'm just gonna showcase you guys two coins that I think have a lot of potential that I like. And so we're gonna use Phoenix Miner for Ethereum and G Miner, the latest G Miner for Aeon. Mining on aeonpool.tech. So in Afterburner, I got both cards. So first we're gonna test out Ethereum. So as you guys know, Ethereum right now is the algorithm is leaned towards memory clock. It doesn't use core clock at all. So we just boost down the core clock and boost the memory clock. So on the 1070, I got the power limit down to 65, minus 200 core and plus 600 memory. And on 1060, I got the power limit down to 70, minus 200 for the core and plus 600 for memory. So let's start up Phoenix Miner 4.1C and see what wattage and hash rate we get. Starting up. I'm just using the default Ethereum address. Okay, we've gone up to 271 watts. So minus 50 watts, it'd be around 220. So the 1070 would take around 120 watts, which is right, and the 1060 would take about 80 watts. So yeah, that's pretty good. So 31.6 mega hash for the 1070 and 23.55 for the 1060. If this 1060 had Samsung memory, it would be getting around 24 to 25 mega hash. Micron for the 1060s get around 23 up to 24. And then Hynix memory for the 1060s would get around 19 mega hash, which sucks. So okay guys, so yeah, that's just the hash rate that we get, and wattage. So we're gonna test out Aeon right now. So Aeon, this is an Equihash algorithm, uses more core clock. So the 1070 here, I'm gonna boost it up to 70 power limit, 150 and 300 memory. Same with the 1060 here. Put the core clock plus 150 and the memory to 300. That's all it needs. Okay, using G Miner 1.34 Aeon. Going to the aeonpool.tech, you guys can see here, and I'm using the aeonpool.tech's donation address and give it whatever name you need. Just put it in 1070, 1060, and let's mine Aeon. So 50 watts base wattage. Let's see how much we get mining Aeon. So yeah, it'll be about the same wattage as mining Ethereum. I think Ethereum is probably a lot more profitable right now. Aeon's not too profitable, but it's a good coin to hold. It's a bit lower hash rate right now, so share accepted. 287 watts. It seems to be holding up pretty well. I think it's frozen. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we're getting 220 souls on the 1070 at 152 watts. Ooh. And then GPU 1 is 145 watts. That's the 1060. 145 souls, sorry. at 83 watts. So that's pretty good. So total power together is 236 watts. And as you guys can see on the kilowatt, it's at 286. So minus out 50 watts, which is the system base wattage. Yeah, that's perfectly correct. 236 watts mining Aeon for these two cards together. Alright guys, I'm happy with that. So I'm going to leave this running for a while. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. Please let me know what you think. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe. All that good stuff. I appreciate all of you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.